In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com for a content calendar so you can plan, organize, and publish your content consistently without missing deadlines. Whether you're managing YouTube videos, blog posts, social media content, or client campaigns, this setup will give you a clear workflow from idea to published. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. All right, let's get started. The first step is to create a new content calendar board. Inside Monday.com, go to Workspaces, then click Add and choose New Board. From here, you can either start from scratch or search for a template. If you want something quick and pre-structured, type in Content Calendar or Marketing Planning in the template search bar. If you prefer full control, choose From Scratch. Next, decide whether this will be a main board or a private board. Choose Main Board if you're collaborating with a team so everyone can access and update tasks. Choose Private if this calendar is just for you. Once selected, name your board something clear like 2026 Content Calendar and click Create. Now that your board is ready, the next step is to add the right groups to represent your content stages. Groups help you organize your workflow visually. Start by renaming your first group to Ideas or Backlog. This is where all raw content ideas live. Add another group called Planned for content that has been approved and scheduled. Then create In Progress for content currently being worked on. After that, add Ready for Review for items waiting on feedback or approval. Next, create a scheduled group for content that has a confirmed publish date. Then add Published for completed content that is live. And finally, create an archived group for old campaigns or completed projects you want to keep for records. This structure creates a smooth editorial pipeline that clearly shows where every piece of content stands. Next, let's add the columns your content calendar needs. Your first column should be the item name, which will be the content title. After that, add a status column so you can quickly see the progress of each piece. Then add a date column for the publish date, which is essential for calendar view. You may also want to add a person column to assign writers, editors, or designers. A platform column is helpful if you publish across YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, or a blog. You can also add a priority column to highlight high-impact content. If you track performance, consider adding a numbers column for metrics like views or conversions. Customize these columns based on your workflow, but keep it clean and simple so your board stays easy to manage. Now let's make this content calendar powerful by adding different views. Click Add View at the top of your board. First, add the calendar view. This will display your content based on the publish date column, giving you a traditional monthly calendar layout. It's perfect for seeing posting gaps and planning consistency. Next, add the Kanban view. This gives you a visual board organized by status, which is great for tracking workflow stages like ideas, in progress, and published. Finally, add the timeline or GAF view. This is ideal for long-term planning and campaign coordination because it shows how content overlaps across weeks or months. These three views together give you complete control over planning, execution, and scheduling. Once everything is set up, start adding your content ideas and move them through the pipeline as they progress. Over time, this system will save you hours of confusion and help your team stay aligned. And that's how you use Monday.com for a content calendar. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.